Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone. I'm Ali. Hello, Sanya. You look super excited today. What's our topic?
I am. Today we're talking about something so many listeners ask for, IELTS preparation tips. Whether you're aiming for study abroad, work, or immigration, IELTS is a big step. We'll share clear, practical tips for all 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking, plus general advice to help you get your best score.
Perfect. Many people feel nervous about IELTS, but with the right plan, anyone can do well. But first, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our podcast.
Yes, and click the like button. It really helps us reach more learners like you.
Please share with your friends and family too. Okay, Sanya, let's make this episode detailed and full of useful tips. Where do we start?
Let's start with general preparation tips that apply to the whole test. These are the foundation.
Tip 1. Understand the test format completely. Know exactly what each section looks like.
Yes, go to the official IELTS website or British Council or IDP sites. Listening, 4 parts, 40 questions, 30 minutes, plus 10 minutes transfer. Reading, 3 passages, 40 questions, 60 minutes. Writing, Task 1, 150 words. Task 2, 250 words, 60 minutes. Speaking, 11 to 14 minutes, 3 parts.
Don't go into the exam surprised. Practice with official sample tests.
Tip 2, make a study plan and be consistent. Consistency beats cramming.
Exactly. Study 1 to 2 hours daily for 2 to 3 months. Divide time, 30 minutes listening, 30 minutes reading, etc. Take full practice tests once a week.
Tip 3, build strong vocabulary and grammar every day.
Learn 10 to 15 new words daily. Academic words like analyze, significant, impact. Use them in sentences. Review grammar, tenses, articles, prepositions, complex sentences.
Tip 4, practice with official materials. Cambridge IELTS books 1 to 18 are gold. They have real past papers.
Free resources too. British Council, IELTS Liz, IELTS Simon websites, YouTube channels.
Now, let's go section by section. First, listening tips.
Listening is 40 questions, 4 recordings, conversation to lecture. You hear each once.
Tip, practice predicting answers. Read questions before audio starts. Underline keywords.
Spelling improve. Wrong spelling equals wrong answer. Practice different accents: British, Australian, American.
Listen to BBC podcasts, TED Talks, or IELTS practice audios daily. Start slow, then normal speed.
Tip: transfer answers carefully in the 10 minutes. Check capital letters and numbers.
Next, reading tips. 3 passages, 60 minutes, getting harder.
Academic in general have different passages, but tips same. Skim first. Read quickly for main idea.
Scan for specific information. Practice true, false, not given. They're tricky. Not given means no information, not false.
Matching headings, sentence completion, multiple choice, time management is key. Don't spend more than 20 minutes per passage.
Read English news daily. BBC, The Guardian, Dawn English. Build speed and vocabulary.
Now, writing, the section many fear most. Task 1 and Task 2.
Task 1, academic, described graph, chart, map, or process in 150 words. General, write a letter.
Tips for Task 1, use accurate data. Structure, introduction, overview, 2 body paragraphs. Vocabulary, rise sharply, slight increase, peak at, remain stable.
Task 2, essay, 250 words. Both academic and general, same. Agree, disagree, discuss both views, advantages, disadvantages, problem, solution.
Structure, introduction, paraphrase question, 2 to 3 body paragraphs with examples, conclusion.
Use linking words, however, moreover, therefore. For example, write clearly, handwriting matters.
Practice timed writing. Get feedback from a teacher or online forums.
Last section, speaking, 11 to 14 minutes, 3 parts.
Part 1, Introduction and simple questions about home, work, studies, hobbies.
Part 2, 2-minute talk on a topic card. Prepare 1 minute, speak 2 minutes. Use structure, what, when, why, how you feel.
Part 3, Deeper discussion questions related to Part 2.
Tips, speak clearly and fluently. Don't worry about accent, just pronunciation. Extend answers. Don't say yes only. Explain why.
Record yourself. Practice with partner or mirror. Common topics are education, environment, technology, travel.
Final general tips. Manage time in the test. Stay calm. Breathe deeply. Eat well, sleep well before exam day.
Take mock tests in real conditions. Track band score progress.
You can do it. Many people from Pakistan get 7+ with regular practice.
Thank you, Sanya. These tips are gold for anyone preparing.
Thank you too, Ali. Listeners, are you preparing for IELTS? What band do you need? Which section is hardest for you?
Yes, please. Go to the comments and tell us. For example, I need band 7 for study, or writing is hard for me, or I will practice listening daily.
We really want to read your comments. It motivates everyone.
And remember, consistent practice plus smart tips equals great IELTS score.
Exactly. Prepare well, stay confident. Thank you all for listening. You are wonderful.
Take care, study hard, and good luck with IELTS.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, Ali.